Thanks, Steve. Today we're meeting with Dr. Joshua Justice, an ophthalmologist with Dr. Charles Breen. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Now, I have a couple of kids, ages 6 and 10, and my wife and I are in our 40s. You can see patients of all ages. You could basically treat our whole family.
Absolutely. We see patients of all ages, children and adults. We provide comprehensive eye care for the entire family. We perform routine examinations on infants, children, elderly patients, and the like.
Where are your locations and what are your office hours?
Well, we currently have 2 office locations where we primarily see patients. Our primary office location is at the St. Elizabeth facility in Florence on Turfway Road. We're located in the medical building attached to the hospital there. We're on the 3rd floor. We see patients there Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5, and we also offer extended office hours on Mondays, and you can contact the office to get those hours if needed. Also, we see patients on Tuesdays at the Covington facility, St. Elizabeth's facility there, 8:30 to 5 o'clock, and again, same services are provided at both locations.
Now, what services do your physicians provide?
Well, again, we provide comprehensive eye care for the entire family. We perform routine ocular examinations for both glasses and contact lenses. We also perform focused eye examinations for diabetes, glaucoma, and various other ocular conditions. We do perform several surgical procedures, including cataract surgery, refractive surgery, laser procedures for glaucoma and diabetes, and the latest treatments for both diabetic retinopathy and macular degeneration.
Now, you mentioned diabetes. What's the importance of obtaining an eye examination if you have diabetes?
Well, diabetes can affect the eye in several ways, and it can cause devastating visual impairment if it's not caught and treated appropriately. We recommend that diabetic patients receive an annual ocular examination to rule out any complications from their disease. The primary care physicians in the area are very good about recommending these examinations to their patients. Anything that is discovered throughout the examination for the diabetes we can treat, be it through injection therapy, laser therapy, and such.
Now, is it that way for other issues as well? I mean, do the physicians perform routine eye exams and treatments for any other issues that are discovered during an eye exam?
Absolutely. Any conditions that are discovered through the eye examination we can treat, be it either through surgical or medical treatments. We provide injections, lasers. Cataract surgery is one of the most common procedures that we perform on a regular basis. And again, in addition to prescribing glasses, contacts, and ocular medications.
Now, I've seen people with eye issues from time to time. Maybe they get an eye infection. Should they come in just in case? Is that something you guys recommend? Have you seen issues where people came in and actually caught a problem?
Absolutely. You know, a lot of times people will get, say, poked in the eye or get a scratch on the eye. At that point in time, sometimes it'll heal quickly, and other times it can become infected or something similar. And we've seen some instances where people have kind of neglected that and haven't been seen, and then have to deal with a prolonged treatment course and some side effects from the condition.
Well, Dr. Justice, thank you so much for being on the show. Thanks for telling our viewers about your services, and we'll be right back after this break.
Dr. Joshua Justice, he sees it all when he looks into your eyes. He sees the potential and the improvement. He sees it all, so you can see better. Dr. Joshua Justice, joining Dr. Charles J. Breen, offering comprehensive eye care to adults and children and performing cataract surgery. Call today to schedule your appointment, 859-746-1990.